In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Notion. Hi everyone! Here's how to create a template in Notion. Super simple. If you've ever found yourself repeating the same structure for tasks, notes, or projects, a template will save you tons of time and keep everything consistent. Start by opening the database where you want this template to live. This could be your tasks, notes, or projects database, any place where you regularly add new entries. Templates are tied to the specific database you create them in, so pick the one where you'll actually use it. Open that database in Notion so you can see the list or board of entries. Next, create a new template. Click the New button you normally use to add an entry, and instead of starting a regular page, choose the option that says Plus New Template. Notion will open a blank page that represents the default content for any new item created with this template. Think of it as the blueprint for your future entries. Now, customize your template. Add a clear title placeholder, like project name or meeting notes, so you know what to replace later. Set up the properties you'll want to reuse, such as status, date, and tags. You can leave them blank or pre-fill common defaults if that helps. In the body of the page, add checklists for repeatable steps, text blocks for instructions or prompts, and any layout elements you rely on. Headings to separate sections, dividers for clarity, and even columns to keep related information side by side. If you have standard sections like objectives, resources, and next actions, add them now so they're always ready. The goal is to design it like a form you can use again and again, so keep it structured, consistent, and easy to scan. Less is often more. Only include what you truly need and leave space for the parts that change. When you're happy with it, you don't need to hit a save button. Notion saves automatically. Simply close the page. Back in your database, you'll now see your new template available under the Templates section, usually accessible from the new menu. The next time you add an item, choose this template to instantly load your layout, properties, and content so you can focus on the details instead of rebuilding the structure. And that's how to create a template in Notion. Quick and easy.